What if you never had to choose between cinematic FPV flying and full 360 degrees video ever again? That's exactly what DJI appears to be working on. According to new leaks, the company is preparing its first true hybrid FPV drone, the rumored Avata 360, and it could introduce an entirely new category in the drone market. Let's break down what makes this drone so different. The biggest highlight is the camera system. Reports suggest a dual sensor setup with large 1/1.1-inch sensors, significantly bigger than what most FPV drones use today. Even more interesting, the camera module is expected to rotate, allowing you to switch between traditional forward-facing FPV shooting and full spherical 360 degrees capture. In 360 mode, the drone could support 8K recording at 60 frames per second. And when flying in standard FPV mode, it may shoot 4K at up to 120 FPS for smooth cinematic slow motion. What does that mean for creators? Instead of worrying about framing during flight, you can capture everything around the drone and reframe later in post. One flight, multiple camera angles. Perfect for car chases, dive shots, orbit moves, and high-speed cinematic sequences. Now let's talk design. The Avata 360 is expected to follow a compact Cinewoop-style body with full propeller guards. Unlike typical 3-blade FPV props, this model may use 4-blade propellers for better stability and smoother throttle control. Weight is rumored to be around 370 to 380 grams, with an estimated flight time of 23 to 25 minutes, which is impressive for a ducted FPV drone recording high-resolution video. And DJI isn't stopping at hardware. Smart features could include multi-directional obstacle sensing, forward vision sensors, and possibly advanced positioning assistance for safer flying in tight spaces. Transmission is expected to use DJI's latest low-latency digital system for a clearer and more immersive FPV experience. The drone should also be compatible with the RC2 controller and the new DJI goggles, giving pilots flexible control options. Pricing looks competitive as well. Leaks suggest drone only, around $400 to $500. Standard combo, $600 to $700. Fly More or immersive bundle, up to $1,000 with extra batteries and goggles. If accurate, this tiered pricing strategy makes the drone accessible for beginners, experienced FPV pilots, and professional content creators alike. And here's the bigger picture. This isn't just another upgrade. If the Avata 360 delivers on these features, it could eliminate the need for multiple drones, and even reduce the need for second takes. Capture everything in one flight, decide the final shot later. That's a major shift in how FPV content could be created. As for the launch timeline, current leaks point to March, though official global pricing and availability may vary. If true, DJI's first true 360 FPV drone could reshape both the FPV and action camera markets. Because the future of aerial filming might not be about flying again. It might be about capturing everything the first time.